Hello, class. Thank you for coming today. Within this presentation, I'm going to talk about the most common locks found in homes within the San Diego area. Deadbolt locks. The deadbolt lock is the most common type of lock found on doors. Next, knob lock. The knob lock is another popular lock. Knob locks can be found on exterior and sometimes on the interior doors of a home. Handle sets. This type of lock, while not the most secure type of lock, it does offer an ergonomic design and they look great too. Mortise locks. Mortise locks offer high security and compact design. Often found in high-end luxury homes, this door lock is a favorite of craftsmen. Last but not least, the keyless lock. The keyless lock, while not very common in homes, is starting to become popular as the latest technologies are beginning to become available. So, what kind of residential lock should you install on your home? Well, that depends. All the locks that I just discussed offer excellent security. What's most important is you want to purchase a lock that is high quality and made of strong materials. Okay, that's about it for this lesson. Want to learn more? Come by and visit our locksmith blog at www.sandiegocitylocksmith.com/blog.